Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Today I've got another super simple Glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a pair of Glam crystal candle holders and a Glam crystal vase set. And so what you'll need some teardrop pendants. And these pendants are from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event supplies, event decor, event lighting, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. You're also going to need some rhinestone buckles, and I have two different shapes here. I have a square buckle and then an oval buckle. These buckles are from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. Now what you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you will need 3 of these glass tea light holders. And you can use all the same height or you can use graduated height, whatever you like. You will need 1 of these glass candle holders. And I'm going to be using something like a cut glass here that has like a little bit of a faceted look, but you can use whatever shape you like. I'm going to be using some white flowers, but you can use whatever color you like. And I've got a little floral foam ball here from Dollar Tree as well. Now, from Walmart, I have some peel and stick gemstones. And you can find these on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. You'll also need 4 of these little round 2-inch mirrors. I picked these up at Michael's. They come in a pack of 4, so you will need 1 pack. I'm going to be using hot glue on my project. But if you'd like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will make it permanent. These are the items that we need in order to complete this beautiful set. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't this crystal candle holder and vase set turn out absolutely beautifully? And this was so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and start decorating with it. Okay, well there you have it, guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.